Thank you for taking time to watch. My name's Doug, this is Doug's Open Road Classics. Today I'm at the North Wheeled car meet. I saw this absolutely brilliant Fiesta 1.3 Ghia last week at Wheels at the Warren. I've loaded a separate video for that. But today I've met the owner, Mick, who is just going to give us a brief rundown of the history and the journey of this car, because it's a pretty amazing bit of kit. So I don't know if people want to spot Mick, but I don't know if you could just tell us something about the car, what you've done to it, how long you've had it.
So this is Buffy. Buffy's 44 years old. It was a one family owner car from new, and was built in Valencia in Spain, and for 22 years it sat in a garage, heated garage, just with a cover over it. It then went through 3 auctions. The first Matthewson's, which is Bangers and Classic, and then a car auction in Birmingham, and then it went to eBay, obviously. I was going to buy it off of eBay, but I had nowhere to store it. It disappeared off of eBay, and luckily 2 weeks later it reappeared. I put a bid in and I bought it, which was bad timing because I didn't have anywhere to store it. So I went and picked it up, put it straight into storage for 6 months, and while we decided to what we was going to do with it. And from there, although the car is as you see it, unfortunately someone had rattle canned the bottom half of the car, which was quite bad, so we made the decision to basically bare metal the car up to 3/4, strip it all the way back and repaint it in its original green colour. We took the glass out to make sure it was a good job. Underneath, it's an original 22,000 mile car. Wow. All the paperwork backs it up. Yeah. The original invoice from when it was actually produced.
That's brilliant.
And we ice blasted it underneath, which is pretty new technology.
Yeah.
It means that underneath is the original factory finish. It was originally Z-varted from new, so when we pulled that off, there's no rust effectively. Yeah. And then we took all the suspension off, powder coated it, shot blasted it, powder coated it. We put it back on, and then finally we used a special marine coating that is used in oil rigs, and that gives it a 6,000 hour salt rating. So
wow, that'll do it.
You can now park it in the North Sea, and it will now be fine.
Yeah.
Engine-wise, original engine, original gearbox. We've put a new carburettor on it. We've got E10 fuel pipes to keep it safe.
Yeah.
An upgraded starter motor, a new alternator. And that's it, ready to go basically.
That's amazing.
Now to enjoy it.
It's a credit to you, and it's
you.
great. I saw it last week, and I was hoping to see it again.
Yeah.
And I can't believe it's so soon.
Thank you so much.
It's so good. Right, thank you for that. Thank you for that, Mick. I'm going to do a walk around video of the car now. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you know of anyone that might be vaguely interested in the channel, that'd be great. And I will see you soon. Happy motoring. Thank you.